Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, August 18th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a stationary front right now bisecting the region, cutting from central Jersey through Trenton and off towards northeastern Pennsylvania. And to the south of this boundary, we have tropical air that's invading. To the north, kind of a maritime tropical mix, with temperatures throughout the region ranging from the lower to mid-70s, mid to upper 70s down towards southern New Jersey, with plenty of moisture in the atmosphere and showers starting to approach from the southwest. When we take a look at our surface map, you can see with the winds coming off the Atlantic right now from the southeast, veering to the south, this right here is the remnants of Fred, and we can see that very nicely here on the radar and surface map. Here's our stationary front. This will continue to lift slowly to the northeast today, and with that, the threat for overcast cloud cover and scattered showers. This is what's left of Fred. Fred is transitioning to what we call an extratropical storm, so it's losing its tropical characteristics. The heaviest rainfalls right now over western Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio. This will track up towards the Poconos and the Catskills tonight. Meanwhile, this area right here of rainfall, this will march through the rest of the region with the threat for showers capable of some very heavy downpours tonight. But your heaviest rainfall is clearly going to be focused over northern Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern New Jersey, the Catskills, and the Poconos, with 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. So let's take a look at our satellite picture. This is the infrared satellite picture, and you'll probably have your eye on this right here. This is Tropical Storm Enray with winds of 65 miles per hour to the south of Bermuda. Don't worry, it's not going to have a direct impact on us, as this trough associated with Fred is going to kick this right out into the Atlantic. But it will be close enough to enhance some wave heights if you decide to go to the beach this weekend. But if you hear the rest of this forecast, probably not heading to the beach this weekend, with rainfall being a high threat. So the remnants of Fred will continue to lift northward, and you can see this strongest lifting right here is basically going to head right towards the Poconos and Catskills tonight. On the visible satellite picture, you can see it's going to be pretty much a cloudy day, with clouds increasing over eastern Connecticut. You can say goodbye to the sun over there as the rest of this cloud cover invades the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds to overcast skies with the threat for scattered showers. Showers are more likely as you head to the west, so basically Pennsylvania, western New Jersey. Temperatures today will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior and along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, here comes the remnants of Fred with a very heavy rainfall over the interior. Periods of showers capable of tropical downpours along the coast. So you're looking anywhere between a quarter to an inch and a quarter along the coast, depending on who gets hit with some of these tropical downpours. Meanwhile, over the interior, looking in general about 1 to 3 inches, possibly some higher amounts. So there is going to be a threat for flash flooding in locations like northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, and around the Catskills in southern New York. Temperatures tomorrow will fall off into the lower to mid 70s. Now, for tomorrow afternoon, you're going to have this unstable nature in the atmosphere, so a mix of sun and clouds with a threat for showers capable of some brief heavy downpours. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and over the interior, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and muggy out. Then on Friday, you're going to have a trough hanging around with a threat for some widely scattered isolated showers, again capable of heavy downpours. Low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, and lower to mid 80s along the coast. Watch out for some mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, a trough will linger over the region, producing widespread rainfall, and that's going to continue on through Sunday. That's going to lead to a very wet weekend this weekend. So if you have outdoor plans, you might want to use that rain date, because it is going to be showery out there. Now, it's not going to be a complete washout the whole weekend. In between the areas of steady rainfall, you'll have cloudy skies and drizzle. But it's certainly not going to be conditions conducive for outdoor activities Temperatures through this weekend will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And then for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, a series of weak cold fronts will move through with the constant threat for fog in the morning, isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.